So it popped up in my Facebook memories that it's 5 years ago this month that we all came down with COVID. I can't say we all because my oldest son never got COVID the multiple times that it was in our house. But the first time we had COVID was August of 2021. It was right before everybody was supposed to start back to school. So, of course, we were all quarantined. It didn't get back to school until later. It was awful. And I know everybody's experience has been different, and I'm not downplaying anybody's experience. There's multiple times I thought my husband wasn't going to make it. He had it bad. But I say that because ever since I had COVID and I started to try to go back to school, I started, going back to work, doing all the things, I could not function. Like, it was hard for me to breathe for quite some time. I was crying all the time. Like, I can remember waking up out of bed just to get ready to go to work and just cry. I would just cry all the time. Fortunately for me, I had an OBGYN appointment at that same time, kind of in that same timeline that all that was happening, and I discussed everything with her, and she's like, that's a side effect of COVID. And I was like, what do you mean? So anyway, she put me on an antidepressant medicine, and it was a life changer. I did end up quitting my job just because before I got put on the medicine, I ended up quitting my job because I couldn't take it no more. But I've been on this medicine for the last 5 years. I try to advocate for those with mental health needs. It's hard when it comes, a lot of it has to do with the kids that we have in our foster care, because a lot of parents don't want their kids on medication. I mean, I get it. I 100% get it. I didn't want my kids on medication too. But now knowing what I went through, and it was nothing that I did. I mean, I didn't change anything. I didn't do anything. It was just because I had gotten sick that something had changed, and this was the way to fix it. And I mean, I don't know the lasting side effects of being on this medication, but I do know that I have tried in the past to decrease it and try to wean myself off of it, and it's just not working. I can't. So don't be afraid to talk to somebody about your mental health. There is help out there for you, whether you want to do medication or not, but just take care of yourself. Always know that, let's not say always know, but just know that if something is not feeling right, it's not necessarily anything that you did.